Good morning, class third. Class, this is English literature, and we have started chapter 18th, The Land of Counter Pain. Class, it's a poem in which there was a boy who imagined something. Okay, he imagined something over his bed. Okay, with the help of his toys, he felt happy. Okay, in his illness. So you already understood this poem. So today we'll complete the book exercises of this chapter. So the first question is match the following to make meaningful sentences. Class, here in this question you have to match them. Okay, this is the column A and this is the column B. You have to match them to make a meaningful sentence. So the first is the boy watched the lead soldiers for an hour. Okay, so we'll match number first with number B. Second, the toy soldiers marched through the hills. So we'll match number second with number A. Third, the boy felt happy when his toys were with him. So we will match number third with number E. Next, the little boy was in bed because he was sick. So we'll match number fourth with number C. Fifth, the hill was actually the pillow against which he was resting. So we'll match number fifth with number D. So class, this question is done. Next is, yes, here, way with words. Write suitable adjectives of your own to describe these nouns from the poem. Class, here in this question, there are some nouns word. You have to add some adjective. Okay, यहाँ जो noun word दिए हैं तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, कुछ adjective word use करना है. ठीक ना, note down करना है. So the first is pillows. So you can use adjective two pillows. Interesting toys. Brave soldiers. Sunny day. Clean uniforms. High hills. Indian ships. Crowded cities. And beautiful houses. Okay. Class, here in this question you can also use adjectives according to yourself if you want. Clear? Next is here modal verbs. Okay, there are some helping verbs that are used for the following. Okay, class, here what is modal verbs? Modal verbs means it's work like a helping verb. Clear? So we use modal verbs in some ways. The first is to tell us whether something will happen or not. Okay, when do we use modal verbs? When we want to tell something will happen or not. कभी ये बताना कि ये काम होगा कि नहीं होगा तो हम मॉडल वर्ब का यूज करते हैं. किस मॉडल वर्ब का? विल का. ओके, विल और शैल का. नेक्स्ट, टू आस्क फॉर परमिशन. व्हेनेवर वी वांट टू टेक अ परमिशन फॉर एनी वर्क वी यूज मॉडल वर्ब. ओके, कैन और मे. नेक्स्ट, टू रिक्वेस्ट समवन फॉर समथिंग. ओके, for taking permission and for also to request. तो कभी भी किसी से कुछ रिक्वेस्ट करनी हो, किसी चीज़ के लिए परमिशन लेनी हो तो भी हम मॉडल वर्ब्स का यूज़ करते हैं. द मोस्ट कॉमन वर्ब्स ऑफ दिस टाइप आर कैन, मे, मस्ट, विल, शुड. ओके, these modal verbs are commonly used, mostly used. So here question number A, which is based on modal verbs. Complete the sentences with can, may, must, will or should. So the first is, the school will definitely choose Amit for the year's cricket team. So here in number first you will write will. Next, I can make tea but I don't know how to make coffee. So here in number second you will write can. Okay. Next, third number, may I go home early today. Okay, so here in number third you will write may. Next, the sun is shining brightly. It will be very hot outside. So here in number fourth will. Next, we must do all exercise in order to keep fit. So here in number 5th you will write must do. Next, I saw my eraser on the table a moment ago. It should be somewhere here. So here in number 5th you will write should. Number 6 should. 7th, can you speak Chinese? So here in number 7th you will write can. Next 8th, if you finish your homework now, you may have time to play later. So here in number 8th you will write may. Okay. Next thing is types of adjectives. First thing is, what is an adjective? Adjective qualifies a noun or pronoun word. Okay. It modifies a noun or pronoun words. Okay. So here you will see the types of adjectives. Okay. Here there are 3 types of adjectives. First is adjective of quality, which qualifies. Okay, which qualifies or tells something about a noun or pronoun, like tasty sweets, blue eyes, tiny kitten. Okay, जब कभी भी क्वालिटी बताता है, कोई भी एडजेक्टिव वर्ड किसी नाउन प्रोनाउन की क्वालिटी बताता है, तो वो क्या होता है? एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी होता है. सेकंड इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. क्वांटिटी मीन्स हाउ मच ऑफ समथिंग और समवन देयर इज. ओके, उसकी क्वांटिटी क्या है, उसकी जो वेटेज है, उसकी जो मात्रा है वो कितनी है. ठीक ना. सो whenever you saw any quantity which is showing the adjective of noun or pronoun word, it means that is adjective of quantity. Like I have many friends, Situ has some money in his bag, Mani likes all sports. So whenever you see these words like many, some, all, few, okay, so these words indicating the adjective of quantity. And next is demonstrative adjective. Some adjectives help us to show or point certain persons or things. It is called demonstrative adjective. Like this, that, these, those. Okay, this man, those mangoes, these books, or that girl. Okay, so whenever you see these words, it means it's a demonstrative adjective. So question number B is based on this. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences and write down what type they are. Here in this question there are some sentences. You have to find out the adjective word and then also write down that which types of they are. क्या करना है? पहला काम तो आपको करना है अंडरलाइन करना है एडजेक्टिव को. उसके बाद ये भी बताना है कि वो 3 काइंड्स में से कौन सा है, वो क्वालिटी है कि क्वांटिटी है कि डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव है. So the first sentence is, some people like jackfruit but I don't. So here the word some is adjective word and it is adjective of quantity. The word some indicating adjective of quantity. Next, this board game has easy rules. So here in this sentence the word this and easy both are adjectives word. Okay. This is a demonstrative adjective and easy is a quality adjective. Okay, adjective of quality. Next, look at that bird. It is so colorful. So here in this sentence, the word that and colorful both are adjective word. That is a demonstrative adjective and colorful is a quality adjective of quality. Next, Arun has a brown dog. So here the word brown is an adjective word and it is a adjective of quality. Next, many people were in the stadium. So here the word many is adjective word and it's an adjective of quantity. Which adjective? Adjective of quantity. Next, they bought a new house. Here the word new is an adjective word and it's adjective of quality. Okay. Next, I am reading an interesting book. So here the word interesting is an adjective word and it's the adjective of quality. Class, clear how to this question? Next and last one is write SH or CH to complete the words. Class, here in this question there are some words which are incomplete. We have to complete them by using SH or CH. So the first one is, you can see a big ship, 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 from the beach. Next, I went shopping with my mother today. Okay. Next, don't sit on that chair, it's broken. Next, my favorite indoor game is chess. Next, Jeet jumbled into the swimming pool with a big splash. Next, it was such a hot day today. Next, I want to be a teacher when I grow up. Next, did you shut the door when you left the house? Okay. So class, here this chapter, The Land of Counterpane book exercise is totally completed. Okay. Hope you all understood very well. Clear? So it's enough for the day. Thank you.